Sana in birthday ko nga iniuling na magbalik yung 70. Maging magbungo ya sana. Pagkipag-prayo kami na eh. Pagkipag-prayo kami. O na anong sabihan kung nung makanyan. Prayer, siyang dagdagan. Paano kakaintindi.
There's a certain kind of beauty that can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real because
hi darling,
every wrinkle tells
hi
the
Joy,
story of the place
kasaya akong gini, birthday mo gini,
countless
na
ocean hours,
maging successful, muling kitang kasakitan na kailangan mo, bibiyami naman kaya ang pamilya mo na maging masaya ka mo, masaya kami naman. At wish ko dagdagan na pa, takal pa birthday datang kaya ating sana lagi kang malusog, huling talagang malusog na kapanin. Sana magkasakit at kumaba pa imbiye mo. Ala na akong asabi kaya ka, noon yung puso ko rinigalo kaya ka, ika mong makibandi kanini. Love you, darling.
it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours, forming freckles on your face, wildflowers.
Happy birthday, Ma! Sana masaya ka ngayon 70th birthday mo and madakal mo pa celebrations na gawan para kang buong family.
Kita po sana maging masaya kayo po ngayon birthday you, ang po maging patuloy kayo pong blessing karang aliwang tao. Thank you po.
We love you!
Every woman has a history.
Happy birthday, Ma! Wishing you good health and enjoy your day. And sana mas madakal tapong time para makapag-banding. Ikatamo ng family.
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy sweet 70. Stay healthy and wealthy. Happy birthday.
We love you, Ma.
Forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Good health and God bless. Iting wish ko para kaya ka.
Happy birthday, Ma. Pasibayo ulit. Stay happy.
We love you!
Older and more beautiful each day.
Happy birthday, Lola Ma. Ayun. Good health. Sana mabuhay ka ng matagal pa. 400, ganun. Ayun lang. Love you so much palagi. Thank you sa mga support. Ganun. Wala lang. Happy lang kami. Ayun. Kung mabubuhay ako ulit, tas hindi ikaw yung lola ko, hindi na ako mabubuhay ulit. So, ikaw pa rin yung lola ko palagi.
Growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful.
For 70th birthday, sana God will, matagal-tagal pa yan. Lahat tayo. So, pagsasama lang po para magmahalan tayo lahat. Lahat.
'Cause life is better when it's lived. It's all possible. the moon. It's all possible. I'm gonna catch
Siguro pag may time, relax muna. So, happy birthday, Balay.
possible.